Hey, good day. This is Lauren Schieffer, the Colonel's daughter, with today's Kernel of Wisdom. Last week, I discussed how to recognize the signs that you might not be holding yourself accountable. I got quite the volume of responses in my email. Folks, accountability is a bit like the secret ingredient in my husband's favorite barbecue sauce recipe. It makes everything better. But it's not always easy to put your finger on exactly what's missing when it's not there. So let's take a look at some additional ingredients, some additional indicators that you could be more accountable to yourself and to others. First, are you shuffling the responsibility deck? Do you, like a card shark, continuously shuffle your responsibilities so others can't see the progress you've made or not made on certain projects? Do you pawn off the bottom of your deck to others without proper delegation? Be clear about your commitments and don't be afraid to say no to things you don't have time for. Next, do you repeatedly miss deadlines? Missing deadlines is disrespectful to everyone else working on a project or waiting on what you are providing for them. It also sends a message that you cannot be depended upon, whether it's in meeting project milestones, paying receivables on time, or honoring commitments made for information. Respect deadlines that have been set and work to meet them every single time. Third, do you blur the lines of communication? Effective communication is the lifeblood of accountability. If your communication lines are fuzzy, it should be a red flag to you. The Colonel used to say, do what you say you're going to do when you say you're going to do it, or keep your mouth shut to begin with. Make sure your actions match your words. Folks, in the grand scheme of things, recognizing when you're not accountable is not always easy, but paying attention to warning signs can help you stay on top of things before they get out of control. This is Lauren Schieffer, the Colonel's daughter. Have a great day.